Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 39, telling and showing time to 5-minute intervals, identifying AM and PM, identifying the number of minutes in an hour, and the number of hours in a day. So, what time does this clock show? Since the hour hand is pointing to the 9 and the minute hand points to the 12, we know that this is showing 9 o'clock. What time will it be in 1 hour? So, as my hands move around, I know that it will be 10 o'clock in 1 hour. Okay. Now, you can't see this on my clock, but if you watch your clock at home, you'll see that as the minute hand goes around the circle, the hour hand slowly moves from 9 to 12. Or sorry, not 9 to 12, 9 to 10. All right. When the minute hand moves all the way around the clock, 1 hour has passed. Okay. The hour hand moves from the one it started with to the next number. Now, each of these little tick marks around the clock equals 1 minute. So let's count the minutes between the 12 and the 1 on the clock. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So 1 hour, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay. All right. So between the 12 and the 1, there are 5 minutes. So if you watch, it goes 12, 1, 2, or so 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So each of the numbers here stand for 5 minutes of time. So between the 12 and the 1, there's 5 minutes. Between the 12 and the 2, there's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. We can also say the 12 is 0 because that's where we get started as well. Okay. So, if I have this time on the board, we're starting at 11 o'clock. But I can move my minute hand and have it point to the 1. We would say that this is 11:05. We can also say it's 5 minutes past 11 or 5 minutes after 11. The digital time looks like this, 11:05. Okay, let's try another time. So here I have 2:30 written on the clock, and we know that this is 2:30 or 2:30. Okay, what if I move my minute hand to this part? Okay, well, this was 30, so we know it goes 35, 40, 45. So my clock is showing that it is 45 minutes after 2 o'clock, or 2:45. All right, what about this time? This time, we can see that the hour hand is in between the 2 and the 3. So I know it's still 2 o'clock. So what time is it? what time is the minute hand pointing to? So let's count. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So this time is 2:55. Okay, let's practice this one. So we know that it's 4 o'clock, but then what's the minutes? So we have 5, 10. So this time is 4:10, or 10 minutes after 4. Each day, the hour hand will move completely around the clock 2 times. Okay. A new day starts at 12 o'clock midnight. So midnight is the same as 12 a.m. The a.m. is abbreviation for the word anti-meridium, and it's a Latin word that means before midday. Okay, midday is at noon. So noon is 12 p.m. p.m. is also an abbreviation for post-meridium, which means after midday. So what time do we get to school? Well, we get to school at 8 o'clock. And then is it a.m. or p.m.? Well, since it's before midday, which is noon, it would be a.m. What time do we leave school? Well, we leave school at 3 o'clock p.m. because it's after midday. Midday being 12 o'clock. All right, so how many a.m. hours are there? Well, there's going to be 12 a.m. hours because it goes from 12 to 11. There are also 12 hours at night, or p.m. hours. And there are 24 hours, there are 24 hours in one day. Okay? All right, so we have 12:20 on the board. And this can be read as 20 minutes 20 minutes after 2, it's 2:20. 20 minutes after 2. So when I draw this, my hour hand will point to the 2 or close to it, and my minute hand will go to the 20 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 2:20 would look like this. What about if I wanted to do 4:05 p.m.? Okay, well, my hour hand will point to the 4, and my minute hand will point to the 5. So to the 5 minutes. So it's going to be right here, 5 minutes. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.